something I got from Walmart. We got stuff. Actually, we got other stuff too. We got something from one bags. And Yoda, she's in the picture. And I got the Angry Birds Star Wars softbound game Jenga set. This is it. Then it's all down. I mean pig. Sorry, I'm sure about pig. Easiest way is to open it like this. On the piece of bagel. I need scissors for these. No, Yoda. Don't. And that. Oh, I got the Darth Vader! Everyone, Darth Vader. Awesome. Dad, I got the Darth Vader!
Good job.
Look it!
That's the one you've been wanting.
I got the Darth Vader and Luke Skywalker pilot. I already have it, so got another Vader. Now that's it. Every time I get something, I just have to show it. The app content. There's the app content in here, but this is the checklist. I actually got this now. I got it today. Just, can you? Stuff. This is the checklist. I already got that one. I saw this one today, this one, and that's all. I saw this one today at Walmart too, so I found these at Walmart too. So let's open this one. I didn't meant to do it all the way. Oh, I got another Luke Skywalker bird. I went one and they're one. So I'm going to put the trash on. Oh, right here. So throw it away. We got, maybe it just gets you a bad guy and a good guy at the same time. I also got these exclusive figures. That one I got right now. And I got so we got a Luke Skywalker bird and this pig. This pig goes like this when the Angry Birds get him. Oh, I better check him on. The dogs are waking him up again. So I got all of these now, and I got a checklist in here. So yeah, it has tape on it already.